Ooh, what you eating?
The new banana split cookie from AM/PM, all freshly baked with real butter with banana chocolate and strawberry flavors.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Can I have a bite?
Sorry, but no.
But
You can't split the banana split.
not even a little?
Not even a crumb.
What if...
No.
Please?
Mine.
When it's too legit to split, that's Cravenience. Get a 3-pack for 99 cents with our app. AM/PM, too much good stuff. Plus tax where applicable. Prices and participation may vary. Terms and conditions apply.
Grace Unveiled Podcast, Episode 4, Embracing the Power of Forgiveness. In Episode 4, Apostle John Hammond takes us deeper into the profound truth of forgiveness and its transformative power. Forgiveness is more than a spiritual concept. It is a powerful key to personal freedom and divine healing. Drawing from heartfelt biblical insights and inspiring real-life testimonies, this episode reveals how letting go of offenses and bitterness opens doors to restoration and blessings. Join Apostle John Hammond and experience the freedom and peace that comes with truly forgiving. Don't forget to subscribe and support.
Come and listen to Grace Unveiled. Oh, mercy, her mercy prevails. Come and listen to Grace Unveiled, warmer the cost. In every heart, His mercy prevails.
Welcome to Grace Unveiled. I'm Apostle John Hammond. It's truly wonderful to have you join us today. We are exploring one of the most profound truths of our Christian walk, the power of forgiveness. Forgiveness holds the key to personal freedom and divine healing. Understanding forgiveness. Forgiveness sits at the very heart of our faith. Jesus taught in Matthew 6:14-15, "For if you forgive others their trespasses, your heavenly Father will also forgive you." Forgiveness is essential not only for the person who wronged us, but also to free ourselves from bitterness and resentment. Forgiveness is not a sign of weakness, but rather an extraordinary display of spiritual strength and maturity. Powerful testimony. Let me share Sarah's incredible testimony. Sarah faced deep betrayal from loved ones, resulting in bitterness and emotional pain. Through prayer and surrender, Sarah chose forgiveness. When she released those who hurt her, remarkable transformation followed. Relationships were restored, emotional burdens lifted, and she experienced peace and joy again. Sarah's story reminds us that forgiveness is the pathway to divine healing and abundant life. Practical guidance on forgiveness. Now, you might be wondering, how do I practically forgive? Let me offer clear biblical steps. 1. Recognize your hurt. Honestly admit and acknowledge your pain before God. 2. Turn it over to God. Bring your struggle to God in sincere prayer, asking Him for strength and grace. 3. Make a decision. Forgiveness begins as a conscious choice, not an emotional response. Commit daily to forgiving. 4. Bless and pray. Rather than harboring negative feelings, pray positively for those who've caused hurt. Forgiveness as a sign of strength. Forgiveness is often misunderstood as weakness, but it is truly a sign of deep spiritual strength. Jesus, even while suffering on the cross, forgave those who hurt him. When we forgive, we do not condone wrongdoing. Rather, we align our hearts with God's heart, opening doors to healing and favor. My dear friends, choose today to forgive and experience the grace that heals and restores. Embrace forgiveness and let God set your heart free. Thank you for joining us on Grace Unveiled. If you found encouragement today, please share this episode. Remember, you are never alone together. We experience the grace of God. Until next time, walk in forgiveness and live in grace. God bless you.
Come and listen to Grace Unveiled. Oh, mercy, her mercy prevails. Come and listen to Grace Unveiled, warmer the cost. In every heart His mercy prevails.